Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to another episode of Lookfantastic Unboxing. It has been a long time guys since I did a Lookfantastic unboxing in front of camera, and I think I skipped 2 months. And yeah, without further ado, let's open this August Lookfantastic box. I really love this box for this month. It's orange themed and I really love Lookfantastic boxes. I even collected them, and for those who do not know, Lookfantastic, it costs £15 for monthly subscription. You can also subscribe for a year and you can save more. So in my case, I paid $20 for the box and $7 shipping fee. So they do have free shipping in some places, so you go check out their website. With every box you will receive this magazine. Oh, and also it has 6 premium products in the box. And in every box as well, I have an Elle magazine, Priyanka Chopra and Joe Jonas. They already broke up, right? Alright. Let's now open it. Smells so good. So this is what I know that I will be receiving. This is a Luxie Luxie brush, and this is a highlighting brush. This Luxie 737 tapered highlighter brush is worth £26.50. So just this brush alone costs the whole box itself. It feels so soft. I have here a Morphe highlighter. I also received this from Lookfantastic box. Let me just dip it in here. Oh, by the way, this is the highlighter with the color Spark. Do you see it? Wow, look at that. Most of my highlighter brushes are the fan brushes, so this is my first highlighter brush that looks like this. Second item that I have here, we have a James Red Self Tan 1 Hour Tan Glow Mask for the face. Oh no. You know guys, you know me, I don't like tanning products. I mean, not that I don't like, I just don't use them because I don't need tanning products. So maybe in the camera I look a little bit fair, I don't know, but I just feel like I look fairer with the camera, but in real life I am so morena or tan. So by the way, this cost £12.50. Wow, that's expensive for this 25 ml James Red Glow Mask face and body. Third item we have here, Natura Herb Infused Sheet Mask. Yay! I really love to receive sheet mask, and ooh, I just noticed this is the first sheet mask. It seems like a paper packaging. This retails for £4.95. Infused with a variety of herbs and vitamins, this multitasking mask rebalances the skin, reduces enlarged pores, and brightens the complexion. I guess this mask is really for me because I do have big pores, though I look flawless probably in the camera, but no, don't be deceived. So for the fourth item, oh, we have here Doucce brand Luscious Lip Stain. This is the Holiday Getaway. This is a mini size and is worth £11.95. That's still expensive for me. Ooh, look at that. It's so pigmented. And I love this color. I don't think this will complement to my skin. What do you think? Should I apply this? I'll just put this in the middle. Wow, it's so close. The color is so close to my lipstick right now. It really does. It's just like camouflaging. Let me just give you a swatch to this lipstick that I'm using. This is the Blair, the one at the bottom, and this is the Doucce. And the color is like so near to each other. It's like the Doucce one is a little bit brighter, and the Blair one that I have is like kind of brown in color. Like there is like a hint of a brown color. We have here Ritual's Cream On Nourishing Body Cream. The Ritual of Holy Color Your World with Love. This retails for £6.90, and it says it brings a splash of color to your bathing regime. It is infused with flamingo flower and invigorating pink grapefruit. Ooh, so this is where the smell that the scent that I smelled like the moment I opened the box. Smells so good. Ooh. We are now on the last item, but so far all the products I received, I love it. Okay, so for the last item we have here Bella Pierre Cosmetics Heat Wave Highlighting Palette. Oh my god! I should have used this highlighter and this brush, and I used the Morphe one. I didn't know that I will receive the highlighting palette. My god. So this highlighting palette is worth $29. Oh my, it almost fell. Oh my god. Wait. I can see like the colors are really pretty next to each other, but I guess this would complement to my skin complexion, so I love that. But let me just add a little bit. Which color should I get? There are no names for each color. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think there's a name for each color, so let me just point it out. This one. Really nice. I mean, it's not, it has like that glitter just a little bit, but no, it is shimmery, not glittery, so that is good. Personally, I don't want a chunky highlighter. Like, who would want it? Especially that I have a textured skin, because I don't have smooth skin. But yeah, that's it. I'm so glad with the 6th item for this month's Lookfantastic. I would rate this like a 10 out of 10, even though I don't have this, because I really love it when I receive a lot of cosmetic products than skincare products, because I already have lots of skincare. The total value of the box is £92.79, which is equivalent to 166 Australian dollars. I mean, seriously, I paid $27, so it's really worth it. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more of Lookfantastic unboxing and to see more of my videos and be friends with me. And yeah, I do love this box. See you guys in my next video. Bye.